everything. Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome back to Everything Graphics. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching every bit of video that I upload. And today I want to show you how to make a flyers for night party. And this is the Pixellab interface. And without you, I don't want to waste much of your time. I've already created the size of the flyer, which I will show you now. Now come here. Sorry. Come here. Then let's check the image size, which is 930 by 1280. You okay it. Then you insert the background. This is the background. You go to you come here. Then you click on use image from gallery. Then you inside the background if you want to use the background now. And if I want to start afresh, it will take longer before I finish it, and I don't want to waste your time on it. So I will be enable it from where from the hidden place where I hide it, so that it will make it fast and easy. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now first of all, come here. You have to insert the pictures you want to use. This is the picture that I want to use. I've already made everything easy. You place it at the middle. Then you place it at the middle. Just follow my cursor. Follow every bit of everywhere I press on. Then you click here. Make sure it is put at the center. Now if it is at the center, you have to move it up a little bit. Now it is okay here. Then this one, come here again. Then create this one. I will tell you how I created this one. I will show you how I created this one. And let me delete it and show you how I did it. Let me delete this one and show you how I did it. I just make sure I hide the edge of all those pictures, so that it won't look obvious that the picture is not full. Now this is how I did it. You come here. Click on shape. After clicking on shape, press OK. Then you come down here, texture, click on picture. Then click on this one. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing right now. Click OK. Now enable it. Reduce it a bit. Bring it down. What next? Come to shadow. You come to shadow, enable it, then click on this color, this particular color. Let's make it 20 and see what will come up. Can you see now? Now the shadow have come up. Enlarge it, then bring it down. Can you see it? Now we have achieved this one. What next again? Copy it. After you might have copied it, rotate it, place it like this, so that it will cover all those edges. Copy again, then do the same at the other side. Most time I don't know what I want to design. I just open my Pixellab and make and create something unique and something different without cracking my brain and just make sure yes, I must become something. It's a matter of challenge. You have to challenge yourself. Now we have created our one, then now I think we are okay like this. Then you come here, lock them. 1, 2, 3. You have locked them. Then let's send them to back one by one. To back. Now you come down. You have sent all of them to back. Then bring this one back. Bring it down. Bring it down. Yes, we have achieved that. So what next? We have to put our write-up. Which is Friday. And we have to log this one too, so that you shouldn't be touching it anyhow. Now come here, put it at the center, 6 minutes. I need to record this thing out in 2 minutes. Make sure you put it at the center. Okay, this is center. Then bring it down a bit. Bring it down a bit. So what next? Come here. Bring this one. Move this one down. Okay, now we have achieved that one too. So what next? Now you come here, nightclub, put it at center. Make sure everything is at the center. Now click here, put it at the center. Let me give it a bit space. You have to give it a bit, just a little space. Okay, now we are good like this. Press OK. What next? We have achieved that one too. Click on this one. Just make sure everything is at the center. Click here, relative position, click OK. So this one is at the center. Then position it very well. I think we are good like this. Press OK. Come here. Then open this one and make sure that one too is at the center. Okay, now this, come here, position, ladies only. So I said I want to recreate this. It will take me longer time, like about 28 or 25 or 30 minutes, and it will take most of our time. We will not be able to do any other things, so I have to do it the way I'm doing it, which I know you will get it very well. And if you are just joining my channel, you are just watching my channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn up the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you very well. So what next? We have achieved this one. Then we come here again. We lock it. Then we open this one and make sure this one is at the center also. So this one is placed at the center already. So what next? Then this one too. Put the name of the host. This one is at the center also. Put the name of the host. And then what next again? Okay, and I have just only 18 minutes left. And this one also. You have to make sure they are centralized so your work won't get. Let's move this one up a bit. What next? We have to lock this one. And then this one, open this one. I use this free packing, free this one, and the address. I use the same font for them. In case you are looking for the font to use, I use the same font for them, which is Roboto. You have been watching my videos recently. You will notice I really love Roboto for this kind of address and all those things. So what next? Come here again. And this one too. So we have achieved this one. What next? We come here. We come here again. Now we put this one there. You can see we have created this one. So I think there's a bit mistake here. So now we have achieved this too. So what next? Now we are getting there, some yes, some up. So we achieve this one too. Which is this one. I've locked it. You can see we have achieved that one. I centralize it. I put the right up there, which is this one. See, I put the right up to your club address goes here, then you come here again. All this we have to write it from the beginning. That's the reason why, even without writing it, let me show you. You have already spent 40 minutes. Definitely, if I want to write it from the beginning, I will spend more than that. I might even end up spending using about 35 minutes for this, because anything club something take much time. So what next? We put this one there. You can see 20-30% Friday night club, ladies only. Then you come here again. Let's put this one. I think the picture is blur, so we have to bring in another one. Gallery. This picture I want. Okay, then we have to remove the white background. How do we do that? We come here, then what next? Erase color. Click OK. The white background will automatically remove, and if it is another color, you have to touch this brush, then you touch the side you want to remove, then you press OK. You see it come back, then you press the brush again, click on white, click OK, then you enable it, reduce it, then rotate it. After reducing it, then you rotate it, bring it here, reduce it a bit, place it here, reduce a bit again. Now we are good like this. Now come here, you have to delete this one. Come here, this one. Now you can shift this one a bit, then this one too. So what next? Then this one too, which is this one, the date. You might not see everything clearly like this, but when I'm done with them, you will see it very clear. Then come here, then this, and what next again? Then you will enable this one and this one. Now we have to take this one back. This one we have to take it back. We are sending this one back to the picture. So what should we do? Let's touch it and send it back. Nice thing now everything is okay. Everything is okay. So now that you have achieved everything, you have done everything well, what next to do? Then you come here. First of all, you come here. First of all, save your picture as a project. Let me save it with the name I used before, nightclub. You see automatically bring that name. Now I saved it before. Yes. Then come here again. Now what next? Click here, PNG, then click here. You choose Ultra. After choosing Ultra, then click on Save to Gallery. Now we are done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for clicking on my channel, and thank you for subscribing. God bless you very well. Thank you. I love you all.